Hey fellas, we have the goody oldie Milwaukee Circular saw, and the problem for this one is working intermittent, sometimes starting, sometimes not, and so on. Okay, and I think you know what the problem is here. Okay, we can check the wires, they look good, and basically we're expecting the problem to be in the switch. Let's try to open the switch here. Okay, let's try to spot the problem here. Taking this one out, flicking it upside down, and what I'm looking for is the black spots here, here, and here on the switch terminals. I hope you can see it good. Yeah, now I think you can see the black spots on the terminals here and here, and of course we have the same spots on the other side. Okay, let's try to clean them. I'm cleaning them with the isopropyl alcohol. And if they will not get cleaned, you can sand them. Or of course, if you have no luck with the cleaning or sanding, you can just change the switch. Okay, let's check. Okay. Yeah, basically I think we are good here. Now we need to assemble the switch. the switch is assembled, we can clean some dust here, of course. This tool are working in a dust environment. Okay, what we need to do now, we need to assemble it back and check if we had solved the problem or not. Making sure for the wires to be in their places. Okay, now it's our moment to the room. It's good, it's working like it should, so easy, free fix if you do it yourself. Thank you for watching, top side on the video, and bye.